Man, I wonder when I get to like if I completely blanked out there. I was thinking something like, do I get eventually like to drive cop cars and actually arrest people randomly, like in true crimes, or do I have to be always undercover? Oh, let's do the minibus racket. It's right there. Yo, trouble. Maybe I can get into fights and do some more one-liners.
Hey, what can I do for you?
I want to run up this.
You have the card here.
No, I want to run up it. Grab it, dude. The ledge is right there. You're a dick. Can I tackle people? Probably. Yeah. All right, minibus racket. So yeah, I'm pretty sure like this is just you just do these green missions and poof.
You done good. You restored
Yeah.
order to the night market.
Oh yeah, that's literally what it is. Okay.
You took a chance on me, Winston. I wanted to make sure it paid off.
Good.
You got the right attitude. It's gonna pay off for you. You'll see.
I hope I. Okay, good.
You know anything about the minibus racket?
Same as everyone. If you want to drive a good route, pay the toll.
That's right. You know the pickup on Marlboro Drive? The most profitable route in the whole fucking city.
And
From now on, it's yours.
yay!
Thanks. I appreciate it, Winston.
Dog Eyes won't. Right now it's his route. But you know.
I'm okay with
It'll
stealing
be
racks.
my fucking pleasure.
Yeah. Oh,
I gotta take this. Take a few of the guys with you to back you up.
alrighty. I want Lo
go.
Wang and Wang Chung and Fist of the North Star. Come on now. The loading times actually are not that bad in
What's
this game.
going on?
We're going on offense. Taking over Marlboro Drive. One man per stop. Anybody gives you shit,
Fuck them up.
smack them around, no killing.
What, afraid of little blood?
Dog Eyes is son on ye. We're taking the route, not
There you
declaring
go.
war.
That's what you
Can
want to
ask
do.
is
Is
fine
you don't
by
want to
me.
kill everyone. You just want to beat them just a little bit. I still love that.
I'll take this one.
Good job.
Yeah, kick his ass. Wait, hold on, gun. How come we're going after Dog Eyes? Shouldn't we be fighting 18K?
Dog guy came after us? This is payback.
Yeah.
Plain and simple.
What if Dog Eyes complains to Big Smile Lee?
It shouldn't.
What if he sends
We
Mr. Tall
shouldn't
after us?
be
Look, dude.
infighting, but
Dog eyes might work for Lee,
Still.
but Winston answers direct to Uncle. Nobody going to fuck with the chairman. Nobody.
nobody. Oh, here we go. Yeah, I got this. Or not.
Hey, you haven't paid.
Oh,
If you stop, we'll beat you.
This is our stop now.
call someone who cares. Boosh. Oh. So how do I do a non-hostile takedown? Call someone who cares. I couldn't come up with another one. Okay, let me think. Call someone who cares. Throw someone into like a freezer, put them on ice. Oh, was that Jackie Ma?
Alright, you good with your fist. I'll give you that.
Thanks.
Yeah, we have another guy with us a while back. He was good with his fist
Got
too.
shot?
Came out of nowhere. Good story. Didn't talk much. You remind me of him. A lot. Turned out he was a cop. That's why he couldn't kill anyone, see? So now we know how to spot a rat.
Because I won't kill people?
Know that?
You know what they do to traitors, right? When Tong is done with them?
Oh, I barely
Buries them
touched
alive.
that.
6 feet under. Nobody coming for you.
Hey, fuck you, Conroy.
I still
that
think
Kevin
about
Conroy?
that poor fucker sometimes.
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, I tried to backdash. Doesn't work. Oh, there's a side. So I think property damage and all that stuff only exists when you're in a mission. Otherwise, it's just, you know, you're just
Let's go.
being a dick.
No, you stay here. I'll do it. Watch how a real man does it.
Oh,
Son of a
take them off the road.
Wait, you better get them.
Oh, I'm gonna get them. Let's do this. Harass our omnibus to make them pull over. Oh, yes. Oh.
Hey, you. You want this route, you gotta pay for it.
Are you stoned? I already paid
Come on.
Dog Eyes.
Come on. Come on.
Belongs to Winston now.
Nope, nope.
Winston, I don't...
Get out of here, I'm taking your passengers.
Okay.
Alright, bus is closed. Everyone off the
There's a
bus.
slight problem with your bus, so we're doing a change.
I like that.
Don't worry, people. After a quick change of drivers, we're on our way.
I barely touched that. Oh, whoa, whoa.
This is Dog Eyes World. Lấy lộn bay.
Hang on.
You can't
Okay.
drive this world. Who the hell are these guys?
Let me off! I don't want to be a statistic!
Don't worry.
Oh, okay. Driving this game is a little iffy still. Come on now. Come on now. Don't be like that. Wait, does that count against my cop damage or my do property damage with other people? Oh, well, that did. Come on, man. Jeez. Oh. Oh. For no reason. Yeah.
Just relax.
Oh, hey, look, those are still fighting. Oh my god. I need the immortal trees. How do I look back? It's not that button. I actually did the little bus there. Wow, seeing the drift, so I know that's possible now. Look at that, see?
Are you on drugs?
Yes. Yes, I am. So, I'm liking this game so far. I have a feeling like when you get a little bit further, and you unlock more stuff, it gets a little better, like doing attacks and stuff, and maybe even driving.
Here we are, people.
But,
This was probably the most exciting thing that happened all week.
but as it stands, I think right now I'm still at the beginning, pretty much.
Route, are you?
Is that it? Yeah. Alright, because I'm level 2 call. I'm gonna do some triad missions for a bit then. Oh, I heard that happened. I hope everything is good. I'm gonna go trust you now. You shall call him. Hack the truck and disguise him from the pop dust first. Take out. Oh, okay. I'm going to return the Jade statue. Or not. I was trying to do a good drift. Can't drift. Sorry. Out of the way. Come on, officer. That didn't happen. Huh. I thought the cops were going to come after me eventually, or for sure. Oh, whoops. Man. Just a little tap, just a little tap. That's what I need to do. Still, I love this right there. That's this game's mechanic, and this game is set for me. Just that little tiny Okay. Bye.
I found one of your statues.
The sheep. This
Yes,
is
it
good.
represents
I
Scotland.
must confess, I was surprised
sheep.
to see you back. I had hoped that you
For
might have
good
escaped
thing.
Hong Kong, escaped its influences, its problems.
I
We
have.
took them with us when we left. So coming back didn't change much.
Aww.
Are you ready to confront them now?
Yes, I think so.
I want to become Batman. That's what I
What
want.
would you like to learn?
Oh, let's see. Tackle strike? Huh. Strike after tackling the enemy. Hold X and circle, press square. Or square, square. Square! I think I'll go with, wait, what's up here? Leg break. Stun strike follow up. Spin heel kick. Disarming tackle. Stun grapple. Jumping over roundhouse kick. Oh my god. Double jump kick. Arm break. Dim muck. An aggressive counter attack that sends an enemy flying back. Oh my god. I think I have to go with the top one. I think I have to. Whoops.
I see you have studied Wu Chu,
we
ancient
go.
master of defeat.
Come on, man. How do I
Wu Chu says,
how do I taunt?
first, put yourself beyond defeat. In your case, that seems impossible.
Alright, that's the leg sweep. Aha!
You are the first student I've had who might improve. I'm studying in California.
Come on.
Wu, too much time with your girlfriend. Only abstinence will cure you.
Boosh!
And in your case, that might not be enough for a change.
Man, why would they keep fighting me when I just
Stop
keep
by
slaughtering
again
them
if
so
you find
easily?
One of my statues.
Like, that guy's just got blood all over his face. Just dropped him. My bus is still here, that's good. Charge knee stun. Yes, return to game. Okay, I want to see what my, upgrades for my face advantages are. I have $90,000, man. I should buy a car or something. Find food and drink. Degenerate effects are increased by blah blah blah. Disarm. Huh. A lackey will bring you your car anytime, anywhere. I need these! Regeneration foods last 3 times longer. Oh my god. Daula. 40% discount when buying all cars and clothing. Oh my god. So I gotta wait until I get that before I start buying stuff. The Daula. Daula. I don't know how to pronounce that. I am a cop. There we go. Had to make sure I put my helmet on. Wait. FaceTime. Take that.
All right. You want to fight? You look like you might survive a couple
I will survive
rounds.
all the rounds.
Come on, tough guy. You got nothing to lose but
My
your
teeth are made of bone. That are melded to my... Shut up. Oh, okay. Huh. So that's... 1. Wait, what the hell am I doing?
All right. Keep it. Okay.
There we go. Boosh! So I need to... There we go. I might... Oh, I got it. Oof. The combat of this is actually really good. I like that. Okay. So I'm just gonna get careful with my blocks. Or my counters, I mean. Like that. And time for my health to regenerate. And this is actually not too bad. Like, just I'm gonna kick him all down a little bit. There we go. And he's out. This is actually, yeah, not hard. Oh, look, we got a big guy here now. I wonder if eventually they just get weapons and stuff like, oh, this guy has a 9mm now. Oh, I actually hit it correctly. Oh, wrong button. Whoops. Kick him while he's down. Come on, finish him off. Yeah. Honor. Okay. Okay. Can I hit more than one guy with that? Yeah, no, you don't. There you go. Damn you guys. Hey! Hey! I hit triangle. Oh, I can't hit more than one. Nice. No, you don't. Okay, I have to be careful with this. There we go. Yeah. Come on. And go. There we go. Oh man. Okay, I think this is the last one. So basically I'm doing Fight Club. Oh, I still got the hit off though. Okay. No, okay, I gotta just counter. No, I hit triangle. Okay. I gotta get my face meter up. Come on, face meter, get up. Get up. There we go. That was early, actually. I mean, me saying there you go. And... Damn you, you bastard. I hit triangle and still it didn't work. Oh, I actually hit triangle. Whoops. Oh. Oh, I'm... The hell? I did it all correctly. Well, that last part there, it was like triangle, 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 then it said square, and I hit it, but nothing happened. Shit. Man, son of a bitch. I'm gonna come back and do that one again some other time. My bike's gone, isn't it? It's gone. This is the worst thing that's ever happened in this world. Me losing that one mission. Yeah, I don't want to do that. Let's do... You know what, let's go on a stakeout. Can I borrow your car? As long as the police don't see me, it's completely legal. Yeah. Excuse me, officer. I'm just driving completely legally. You know, nothing to worry about here. Oh. Oh! This guy drives pretty nicely, actually. Don't know why that would work. Of like all things, me ramming a big truck should not work at all. Like, I should just flip. Alright, let's go on stakeout. Oh, okay, wait. In the chicken van. Okay. I thought maybe I'd have to get in the back of it and wear a... Sorry, a chicken for a hat.
Finally.
This is one of those keep your distance at a specific point sort of things. Oh, that's how you look backwards. I wonder how you get your suspicion up. I have a feeling it's just driving like a reckless asshole. Which I never, ever, ever, ever do. I drive very carefully all the time. I've never even hit an object. Ram him. Not suspicious, is it? I'm just a truck. Or a van, I mean. Actually, no, I'm a truck. Why did they say it was a van? Whoops. That didn't happen. I didn't do that. I half expect one of those things like from Grand Theft Auto 4, where when you're tailing a car as Niko Bellic, and he's... Oh, whoops. But tailing a car as Niko Bellic. Did I fail? No. Oh, okay. But you're tailing a car and he says, yeah, just, I think I have to stay this far back. I have to do this. And he's like, gives you tips and stuff and makes jokes about it.